Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat's Kitchen. In this video I will show you how to make potato balls in a very simple way. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Start by boiling 1 kilogram of potatoes. So add water, around 2 glasses of water, and salt to taste. And after the potatoes are very well cooked, transfer them in a bowl and mash them. You can mash them using a spoon like this, or you can also mash them using a potato masher or anything, so long as they are very well mashed. And then add lemon juice and mix well. And after that, start making balls like so. As you can see, the potato balls are ready for other preparations. So in a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well as you keep on adding water to make a paste. And don't let the paste be too thick nor too watery. And I have added turmeric powder there because I found it little. So in total, use 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. As you can see, the paste is ready. It's neither too thick nor too watery. And then add the potato balls into the flour paste and cover them completely with the paste. And then deep fry them. They won't take too long in the oil because the potatoes are already cooked. So you'll just cook them for a few minutes until the flour is well cooked, because the only thing here needed to get cooked is the flour. And after that, remove them from the oil. And you can serve them with any kind of hot sauce or even chutney or anything that you like. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat's Kitchen.